How's it going, guys? This is Zach with Lyon Pro Detailing. We're here to introduce to you a new product that is hitting the construction and agricultural world. This product is called Equipment Armor and it is made by InduroPro. When applied to machines and agricultural equipment, it stops rust and corrosion, is UV resistant, abrasion resistant, acid resistant, and when applied, it restores faded paint to a like new shine. Come with us today to apply it to this Kubota SVL 75. Stay tuned for the before and after.